In this video, I'm going to teach you a little bit more about central angles of a circle. So if we have a problem like this that says, what is the value of x? And we have a circle here, and each of these is an equation. Okay, so let's go through that in detail. So step one, the measures of the central angles in a circle add up to 360 degrees. So all of these angles will add up to 360 degrees. So we can write an equation showing that the angles add up to 360 degrees since they span the entire circle, right? It's the entire circle. So we can just take this equation, add it to this, and add it to this, and that would equal 360. So here's our first equation, here's our second equation, and here's our third equation, okay? So now we can add like terms. So all these ones that are just the degrees, we could just add those together, okay? And they equal 60 degrees. Now we can add all the like terms with x's. So 12x plus 8x plus 10x gives us 30x. So our new equation is 30x plus 60 equals 360. Now we can subtract 60 degrees from both sides because we want to try to isolate x. Okay, so we get this. So now we're left with 30x equals 300 degrees. Now divide both sides by 30 so we could get x on its own. So x works out to be 10 degrees. Now we can find all the angle measures. So angle PQR equals 12x minus 20, and x is 10, so 12 times 10 minus 20 equals 100. And we could find the other angles the same way. Angle PQS is 10x plus 30, so 10 times 10 plus 30 equals 130. And finally, for angle RQS, it equals 8x plus 50, and you plug in 10 for x. 8 times 10 plus 50 equals 130. And that's it. That's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video as well. Take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, you could take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.